Okay, here's an interesting engine made for a rail car. It has one bore bigger than the other, but the volumes swept are the same. That small bore was done so it would fit inside the rail car widthwise. It's balanced in an awkward but obvious way of putting counterbalances that are going equal and opposite. So we'll fire this engine up. It's a nice little runner. And a lot of fun, but it's kind of crude looking. So we'll try and not light the whole. And it's a little hard to start. Not because of the engine, but because your fingers are where they shouldn't be. Balance is very good. It runs quite nicely. It does tend to want to walk around though. Phase angle's a little over 90. It was intended for a very low heat. We can add a little bit of heat here and keep it going. Just the torch turned down quite a bit. Keep the head not red at all. Awkward looking. Very sturdy and robust. A very simple engine. It was decided to be, it was a little too long and ungainly to put in the actual rail car. So there were other versions. Okay, well that's that one.